Step into a world where function meets gentle beauty in this dreamy English country mudroom, a space designed to greet you with warmth the moment you walk through the door. Think soft pastel ribbons, time-worn vintage baskets, and an atmosphere that feels both organized and effortlessly romantic. In today's video, we'll explore how to transform a simple mudroom into a charming, practical haven inspired by classic countryside aesthetics. If you love cozy home decor ideas and elegant organization tips, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share your thoughts in the comments as we begin this inspiring journey together. Embracing the English country aesthetic. The English country style is all about comfort, heritage, and subtle elegance, and the mudroom is the perfect place to express this timeless look. Soft muted tones like dusty rose, sage green, and creamy ivory create a calming palette, while natural textures such as wood, wicker, and linen add depth and authenticity. Incorporating vintage baskets brings both character and functionality, allowing you to store everyday essentials while enhancing the rustic charm. The key is to create a space that feels lived in yet beautifully curated, where every detail tells a quiet story. Organizing with vintage baskets and practical beauty. Vintage baskets are the heart of this dreamy mudroom, offering a perfect blend of storage and decorative appeal. Use them to organize shoes, scarves, umbrellas, or even gardening tools, while maintaining a cohesive aesthetic. Arranging baskets in open shelving or beneath a wooden bench creates visual harmony and easy access. Opt for a variety of shapes and sizes to add interest, but keep the color palette consistent to maintain that soft English country feel. This approach ensures your mudroom stays tidy while still looking effortlessly elegant and inviting. Adding pastel ribbons for a delicate touch. Pastel ribbons may seem like a small detail, but they can completely transform the mood of your mudroom. Tie them around basket handles, hooks, or even coat hangers to introduce a subtle layer of charm and personality. Choose soft hues like blush pink, lavender, or pale blue to complement the overall color scheme. These delicate accents create a sense of whimsy and femininity, making the space feel more personalized and thoughtfully styled. It's these little touches that elevate a functional area into something truly enchanting. Creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere. To complete the look, focus on layering textures and adding cozy elements that make the mudroom feel like an extension of your home. A cushioned bench with floral or linen upholstery invites you to sit and unwind, while hooks and pegs keep outerwear neatly displayed. Consider adding a small rug with a vintage pattern to soften the floor and enhance the overall warmth. Natural light, if available, should be embraced, but you can also use warm lighting to maintain a welcoming glow throughout the day. The result is a space that feels both practical and beautifully serene. Conclusion: where beauty meets everyday living. A dreamy English country mudroom is more than just a place to store your belongings, it's a reflection of a slower, more intentional way of living. By combining pastel ribbons, vintage baskets, and soft textures, you can create a space that is both organized and visually delightful. We hope this inspiration helps you design a mudroom that welcomes you home with charm every single day. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment sharing your favorite idea or how you would style your own mudroom. We'd love to hear from you and see you in the next design journey.